Hello and welcome to this lecture on Maya nodes. In Maya, a node is a fundamental building block of a scene. Every object in a scene, whether it's a model, a light, a camera, or an effect, is represented by a node. Nodes are connected to each other to form a network that defines the structure and behavior of a scene. There are many types of nodes in Maya, each with its own unique properties and functions. Here are some common types of nodes you may encounter. Number 1. A transform node. A transform node defines the translation, rotation, and scale of an object in a 3D space. It's like a container that holds the other nodes, such as a shape or lights. You can think of it as the parent node of an object. Number 2. Shape. A shape node defines the geometry attributes of an object, such as a mesh or a curve. A shape node is the child of a transform node. Number 3. Shader. A shader node defines the appearance of an object, such as its color, texture, and its transparency. Number 4. Utility. A utility node performs various operations in a scene, such as math calculations or a color correction. As we can see here. Node connections. Nodes are connected to each other using attributes which define the input and output values of a node. For example, you might connect the output of transform node's positional attributes to the input of a camera node's positional attributes, so that the camera follows the translate and rotate of the object. Attributes of a node are either parent attributes such as scale, or the child attributes such as scale X, scale Y, or scale Z. In summary, nodes are the building blocks of a Maya scene, and they form a network that defines the structure and behavior of a scene. Understanding nodes is essential for working with Maya, as it allows you to create, modify, and manipulate objects in a scene. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you on our next lecture.